Welcome to Advanced System Architecture. And I call it that because I tend to see, well, at some point everything is a system and it can be treated as a system. And architecture being a pervasive concept that runs through systems of all sizes, I thought it kind of interesting if we could teach a course which shows all the different classic ways that architecture and architecting is being applied. And from that, we can learn, even if our domain is software systems or hardware systems or embedded systems, that some of the principles that you're applying there can actually be used to reorganize a federal agency if you wanted to. The principles are very transferable. The concepts are very transferable. And what I thought would be kind of cool was to put together a course that actually took us on a trip from the enterprise level down to the micro level, cloud microservices at the one end, and entire federal agencies kind of at the other end. And part of the thinking there was, well, first off, kind of cool to be able to transfer a discipline and a methodology that you're doing at a systems level elsewhere. But the other thing is we find as we advance in our careers is that the things that we do design and that we do develop architectures for, all kinds of systems and whatnot, have to be sold. They've got to be paid for. People have to approve them. We have to take these great ideas we have, and it's not enough that we can just conceive of great ideas and build these devices, but rather we often have to convince many, many other people that this is the right device, this is the right thing to build. So one of our biggest challenges, as we're going to see, is not so much the creativity of design. That part brought us all here, and that's why we all became engineers, but rather how we take that creativity and vend it out, get it paid for, get it defended, get more money for it, keep it around, keep it going, convince the public that it's a safe technology. Lots of other things we're going to have to do to these beautiful systems that we're conceiving in our heads and sometimes committing into models and actually, in many cases, building. So what we're going to see is architecture, while our primary focus will be using it to build better systems, we'll also find that it's useful all over the place to do other things with the systems and technologies that we're focused on. So that's why we're going to see such vast scope in here.